Everyone thinks the best-selling AC fin comb is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, BOA Fin Comb Set. First up is the BOA Air Conditioner Condenser Fin Comb Set. Priced at $9.99, it caught my attention with its solid 4.3-star rating and over 5,400 reviews. If you want an efficient way to clean your AC fins, this is worth a serious look. This set includes 2 essential tools, a fin cleaner and a brush. The fin cleaner's movable buckle lets you adjust the pressure, making it easier to straighten fins that aren't severely damaged. Plus, the soft bristles are perfect for removing years of dust and grime on various appliances without risking damage. This matters because a clean fin means your air conditioner runs more efficiently, saving you money on energy bills. Now, some users mentioned that the brush head isn't detachable, which can be a bit limiting. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a compact cleaning solution, this won't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're someone who wants a straightforward, effective cleaning tool for your AC without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you're looking for something with more intricate features or if you have severely bent fins. Now, if the non-detachable brush head bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Cenipar 2 PCS Fin Comb Set. Next up is the Cenipar 2 PCS Air Conditioner Condenser Fin Comb Set, also priced at $9.99. With a 4-star rating and 1,400 reviews, this one stood out to me with its unique combination of tools. This set comes with a ring fin comb and a stainless steel radiator fin comb, designed to help you clean and straighten multiple types of fins. The curved head allows you to get into tight spots, which is great for ensuring every inch of your AC unit is clean. The stainless steel option is particularly durable, so you won't have to worry about it bending or breaking during use. This is crucial because a well-maintained AC unit runs more efficiently and lasts longer. However, some users reported that the combs could be a bit flimsy, especially if you're applying too much pressure. But honestly, if you take your time, this shouldn't be a major issue for most users. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, easy-to-use set that works on various fin types. Skip this one if you need something heavy-duty for extensive repairs. It's a solid value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for cleaning efficiency. Product number 3, Cenipar 5 PCS Fin Comb Set. Now let's talk about the Cenipar 5 PCS Air Conditioner Condenser Fin Comb Set, priced at $15.59. It also has a 4-star rating, but this one gives you a bit more variety with 5 different tools. You get a ring fin comb, metal radiator fin comb, plastic fin comb, and 2 brushes. This variety means you can tackle different cleaning needs effectively, from general dusting to meticulous cleaning of hard-to-reach areas. The multiple sizes ensure that you can work on various types of fins and coils, which is essential for keeping everything in your home running smoothly. Some buyers pointed out that the plastic comb might not be as sturdy as metal options. But honestly, if you're not dealing with severely damaged fins, the plastic comb should work just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a well-rounded set that covers all your cleaning bases. Skip this if you're only looking for a single, simpler tool, or if you don't have a variety of appliances to clean. If variety is what you're after, the next product might just be your best bet. Product number 4, BOA 4-piece Fin Comb Set. Next, we have another offering from BOA, their 4-piece Air Conditioner Condenser Fin Comb Set, also priced at $9.99. This one also has a 4.3-star rating and is highly rated by users. This set includes 4 different cleaning tools, which means you can tackle multiple cleaning tasks at once. The brushes are designed to clean various appliances, from air conditioners to refrigerators. The sturdy design means you'll have no problem getting rid of dirt built up over the years. This is important because maintaining your AC and other appliances can prolong their lifespan and improve efficiency. However, some users noted that the bristles can wear out over time. But here's the thing. If you treat them well and clean them after use, they should last you a good while without any issues. This is perfect for you if you love having multiple tools at your disposal for different cleaning tasks. Skip this one if you only need a single tool for a quick cleanup. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if you want to explore a more comprehensive set, the next one might suit your needs perfectly. Product number 5, Canifa 5-Piece Cleaner Set. Finally, we have the Canifa 5 PCS Air Conditioner Fin Cleaner Set, priced at $16.99, with a 4.3-star rating and 864 reviews. This set is designed for those who want a comprehensive cleaning solution. This kit includes 3 different fin straighteners and 2 brushes, allowing you to clean and straighten fins of various sizes. The included brushes are particularly effective at removing dust without damaging the fins, which is essential for maintaining your air conditioning efficiency. The variety ensures you can deal with multiple types of appliances and scenarios. On the downside, some users found the plastic handles to be a bit flimsy. But honestly, if you handle these tools with care, you shouldn't have any major issues. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a thorough cleaning solution that covers all bases. Skip this if you're just looking for something basic or only have a single machine to clean. It's a solid investment for the efficiency boost it provides. Now, let's wrap this up and find out which product might be the best fit for your needs. So there you have it. From the budget-friendly BOA sets to the more comprehensive Canifa option, each of these AC fin combs has its strengths. If you want something straightforward and effective, the BOA sets are great. For those needing variety, the Cinepar options will serve you well. It really just depends on what you need for your specific situation.